This big yellow building here, it's on 16th Street. There's a Capitol building actually, and it's a really nice, I guess I'd call it a highway front-ish. But you notice, by the way, the door was locked. The door is closed, so it must be a little too cold for people to be leaving the door open while breaking in. But here in Lincoln, we've had a bit of a transformation in our demographic. We're gonna go through and see if we find any squatters, because the doors are unlocked again. Said he wanted us to go through and put up boards on the windows. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but we got them up there. I don't think they're getting in through these windows. Pile a little bit of junk in here. This is a house that we have completely empty. We're renovating it, and people keep breaking in, leaving weird compressors. Helping with the demo though, so that's nice of them. Left the fan on. Guys, we're gonna break in, turn off the electricity. There's actually only one line that should be on in this, and we left one area that has electricity, so somebody's probably messed with something. Let's see if we have any friends upstairs, because first floor's clear. All right. This apartment, no friends. We do have some people collecting some stuff though. And a new addition of a bed.
It was over here.
We've even added locks to try to keep people from opening up the dang window. Although, how the heck are they gonna climb up that far? What is a methacarbonol?
Watch out, Michael.
I have a feeling it has something to do with meth.
What is that?
They covered up my lath with this wonderful strawberry wallpaper. Now the only way that we found that they might still be getting in was through these windows. So we put these little things there, and then obviously the window's secure there. They'd have to climb up the freaking roof to get up to the second floor to get in. That means they'd need a ladder. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding a bunch of these OSB sheets to the outside of this building. Here's my thought. This might be kind of a fun thing for YouTube. Should I put Trump signs over it or Kamala Harris signs over it? Whoever gets more votes, that's what I'll do. And I'll put it that way, it faces this massive highway here. So either A, I'll put a bunch of Trump signs or I'll put a bunch of Harris signs. So let me know. All right, lock it again.
They'd have to break the hole.
They'd have to break the hole. All right, no, but just pull on the board. Just pull on the board and show how, like, yeah.
I know he did, but the bed.
Oh, that's why they put them there.
Yep.
Smart.
We'll move them.
Smart dumbass. Smart dumbass.
Here, I got the bed.
All right.
What's really impressive about this thing is the basement has this door that we usually screw shut, where you put a board on it and the brick, concrete brick. We're gonna board up that door again, and we'll put a board on top of the door after we screw in the door. And they broke that window. That's sad, but that's okay. If they jump through there, it won't be the greatest day for them. We'll put 2 pounds of screws in this thing. We shall see.
The the Republican Party is right here. So if you go up to N Street and make a right, yeah, you can get the signs and stuff for free, probably.
Nice.
Any more?
Yes, more here, because they're gonna try and
Pry that shit open.
yeah.